First, we remove the coolant reservoir. It's held on by 2 nuts and a clip. Next, we remove tension from our belt and remove our serpentine belt. Ours is cracked, so let's replace it. Now we work on removing our alternator and the bracket above the alternator. Now we work on removing the coolant bypass hose. This comes apart as one unit. Now let's remove the old plastic connectors. They may break while being removed, but fear not. Just grab a flathead screwdriver or a pick and remove them. We're gonna upgrade these to aluminum. These are way more durable and will last for a long time. Alrighty, let's reinstall our new aluminum bypass hoses. Now you want to make sure that the gaskets are still on and properly installed. Also, make sure the old gaskets are removed. Double gasketing will definitely cause a leak. Finally, let's reinstall everything. First, we reinstall our bypass hose bracket with the tensioner. Then we reinstall our alternator and our alternator bracket. Then we grab our new serpentine belt and install that. Lastly, we install our coolant reservoir bottle and bleed our system. Make sure to check for any leaks and enjoy your ride.